I started pretty close to the day-to-day, dispatching, working with vendors, and really learning how everything functions when something goes wrong on the road. From there, I took on more around improving processes, building out the vendor network, and supporting customers at a higher level. Over time, that grew into leading teams and bigger initiatives, which eventually led me into the director role.
Behind every roadside repair, there's scheduling, monitoring, parts coordination, and consistent communication. We're keeping an eye on technician locations, job completion times, and shifting customer needs. We're also working with other departments when necessary to remove roadblocks. The customer sees a fast response. They don't see the planning, tracking, and teamwork that made it happen. And that's the part we handle quietly in the background.
So I put together a schedule for our team that keeps us on track and efficient. We've got the best coordinators checking on events, including constant monitoring of driver events and going through a dwell report to make sure that bigger jobs stay on task.
The most satisfying part of my job is building strong, long-term vendor partnerships and watching those companies grow alongside us. It's incredibly rewarding to know that our collaboration helps shape and strengthen America's mobile mechanic workforce.
Customer success means having a dedicated and passionate team committed to delivering a seamless and stress-free experience for every stage of the repair process. This includes onboarding, navigating through My RLR, or anything that may aid in the customer success.
So building and scaling this operation has been an exciting journey for sure. The role I ended up playing was really more of the strategic vision on how do we help service other people's equipment. We had a lot of customers of DCLI that ultimately came to us and said, we'd like you to service my equipment. Is that something you'd be willing to do? And we had said no for a long time, but ultimately there was a need in the marketplace. And so we helped transform the former DCLI Road Service Group into what is now RapidLink Repairs. And it's been a great journey so far and a lot of fun, for sure.